Presenting the 2008 Acura TL. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a manual transmission that'll keep you in touch with your vehicle. GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Pamper yourself with memory settings. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.